y'all, so this is another Airbnb that me and my daughter is about to do. This one is a 2-bedroom. Let me show y'all. Show you around. It's not too much. It's really like small. So this is a 4-hour turn, but it's not gonna take us 4 hours because it's not too bad. Just need to wipe this down. There's no food. The guests wash the dishes. I'm just gonna rewash them real quick and put them up. It's not too bad at all. Ew, gotta take that garbage out. Let's see what this bathroom is looking like. Not too bad. Not too bad. Some hair in the shower.
Oh, this is the washer and dryer.
It's alright. Okay, and here, that's the washer and dryer. And then back here is the 2 bedrooms. So I turned this on Friday. The people was just here for 2 nights. So it don't look like they used this bed. We still about to strip all of the sheets and comforters and wash them. But I did wash some towels and extra linen before I left on Friday, which is up there. So it's not too bad, not too bad. Okay, y'all, so like I said, it was gonna take us 2 hours. So we are done, and we finished in 1 hour and 58 minutes, if we're gonna be exact. So everything is clean. Okay, now this host like for us to add some snacks. So everything is good. I finished the bathroom. Okay, everything is good. We did the beds. Okay. Mop the floors. The other room. Okay. And we are leaving now, y'all. We are done. We're gonna grab this garbage on our way out. Look at this one. Working hard, baby?
Yeah.
Exactly. So, y'all, like I said, it took us 2 hours. This was a 4-hour turn, and it only took us 2. And, yeah. So, if you ain't cleaning and opening your cleaning business or starting it, you better.